I'm both happy and sad that this is coming to an end. After 11 days of hiking, 120 kilometers of walking, 200,000 steps, give or take. A better man. Memories are here. Lessons are here. Or vice versa. But thank you, Lord, for the opportunity to do this in a lifetime. Salamat po. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong marapat sabihin sa mga panahong ito. Pero kapag ako'y nagdududa, minsan kailangan mo lang tumingin sa nilikha. Di mo kailangang maintindihan o unawain, pero tiyak ako, malalaman mo sa iyong sarili, meron kang closure, meron kang peace. Thank you, Lord. I'm both happy and sad that this is coming to an end. Deja vu. What are the takeaways for this trip? Well, I've written them down day after day, point by point, and God willing, I will be allowed to chronicle and put it all in a book with all the episodes and companions online via YouTube, so that you can also live this EBC trek vicariously. And maybe after doing so, it will give you the courage to do it yourself. To live it. To do it. And to dream it.